Hello, it's day 2 of 30 days of Halloween makeup challenge. This is the inspiration today. Today is Spider. We're gonna kind of do something like this. Here we go. So I'm just prepping my face like I normally would, and I'm just gonna do my base and everything, and then we'll get to the rest of it. Now that your skin's done, you're gonna take a black eyeshadow and fill your lid in. This is the shape you want, and now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of burgundy just right around. Now take a purple and go over that again. Remember that we're having fun. It does not need to be perfect. We're having fun. Taking navy blue and just going in these areas and deepening it. And black eyeliner right on the waterline. Now we're going to go in and like contour in like the spider-ish way. Like on the picture reference. Okay, this is what I have so far. Now we're going to go in with a brown and outline where the mouth part is. This is the general shape of the mouth. Now I'm going to make the little joints. Now to do the eyes, I'm using the bottom of an eyeliner. And I'm just going to stamp them like that, and we're going to fill them in after. So while the eyes dry, I'm going to fill in this. Now we're going to add the white highlights to everything. So now we're just going to add some eyelashes. Now we're going to carefully line our lips and add the lip color. I'm going to add lashes, mascara, and do my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Remember that it's supposed to be fun, not something you need to have perfect. Most of the stuff that you see is probably photoshopped anyways, so do your best and have fun with it. That's the most important thing.